Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2109 code? This code means the throttle or pedal position sensor is not meeting the minimum stop performance. If you ignore this issue, your vehicle may have unstable idle, poor throttle response, or limited engine performance. P2109 stands for throttle, pedal position sensor, a minimum stop performance. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the throttle plate is not returning to its correct minimum closed position, or the sensor is not reporting it properly. This system works with the electronic throttle drive-by-wire to control airflow into the engine for proper combustion and performance. Common symptoms include check engine light on, rough or unstable idle, poor acceleration, delayed throttle response, and sometimes engine stalling. In some cases, you may also notice inconsistent throttle behavior. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The throttle body is located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. It includes the throttle plate, actuator motor, and throttle position sensors. The accelerator pedal position sensor is located near the accelerator pedal inside the cabin. The wiring harness connects these components to the ECU and is exposed to heat, dust, and vibration. For quick diagnosis, start by checking throttle position and pedal sensor data using an obd2 scanner. Then inspect the throttle body connector and pedal sensor connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check for carbon buildup inside the throttle body that may prevent it from closing properly. Also inspect wiring for signal irregularities. If the sensor or throttle body is not functioning correctly, it may need cleaning or replacement. Finally, clean the throttle body, repair any wiring issues, replace faulty sensors or components if necessary, perform a throttle relearn procedure, clear the code, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2109 on time will restore stable idle, proper throttle response, and smooth engine performance.